So Parks, what do you do here at Linden Thomas?
So I currently work building our indexes. So we've built a suite of different strategies that we build out and separately managed accounts for our clients. And I work both helping to create those strategies and then once they are created, to implement them for our clients.
What do you think most investors don't know about traditional index funds?
I think most investors aren't aware that with most index funds, the stocks that are picked in the funds are picked based on the price of the stock, and also the weight of those stocks is based upon how expensive that stock is. So as the stock goes up, they end up having more of the overpriced stocks rather than less, as most people would think.
What do you think the most inefficient thing is about a traditional index fund, and what have you guys done here at Linden Thomas to solve that problem?
So I really think that it would be broken down into 4 separate sleeves, if you will. So the first would be quality of the fund and not focusing on quality with the traditional funds. The second would be cost, not only the level of cost, but also the transparency of the cost. The next would be the transparency of the fund itself, and then the final part would be the control the investor has over the fund.
Why do you think that most companies don't take the time to build their own earnings-focused index fund?
Absolutely. I think there's really 3 reasons. One is the cost to implement. Ultimately, you have to bring in other parties to help create the methodology, create the processes needed to execute it correctly. The second part is going to be the time to build the index appropriately. We spent months to build out these indexes, and most firms don't have the ability to spend that time to create it correctly. And then the final part would be the team that's around us. So we have a team of analysts here and decades of experience to be able to use that expertise to build these indexes.
When we start out with a client, we want to set the goal, we want to understand the goal, but we also, on the flip side of that, we want to make sure that the portfolio construction is focused on trying to meet that goal.